In this lesson, you'll learn what the Wellfleet RX Student formulary covers, so you can be informed on your pharmacy benefits through Wellfleet. Many of our Wellfleet student plans have prescription medication coverage through Wellfleet RX. Our student-focused formulary includes prescriptions most used and needed by students. Our formulary contains more than 50 $0 copay medications specifically chosen for your needs. To view the formulary and see the drugs that are covered at no cost to you, head to wellfleetrx.com. Our formulary is updated twice annually in January and July. On the formulary, medications are assigned a numbered tier that aligns with the copay under your plan. For example, your copay for Tier 1 medications will generally be lower than your copay for Tier 3 medications. Additionally, some medications are labeled as specialty, and these tend to be more expensive for the member. Bear in mind that schools can tailor the Wellfleet RX student formulary for their students. Depending on the needs and desires of your school, they can decide which types of medications are covered or not for their students. So make sure to view your school's plan document. On the document, you'll see what types of medications are excluded by your school. If a medication is not listed on the Wellfleet RX formulary, it is considered not covered. In the event your provider prescribes you a non-covered medication, you or your provider can request a non-formulary drug exception. To get help with requesting coverage for a non-covered drug, contact Wellfleet RX by calling the number on your ID card. Now that you know a little about the Wellfleet RX formulary, explore more educational videos to learn more about your health insurance coverage.